Hi, my name is Chloe, and my daughter Eve is 3.5, and we have been doing the kindergarten level Flintoclass at home, and she has absolutely loved it. From the moment that we received the box of all of the lesson plans and activities, everything is completely laid out for you. It's all in its own little individual baggie. Everything is labeled day by day exactly what you need to do. Online, whenever you log into the class, it tells you every single day. It gives you the notes of what you need to get ready for the day as they listen to their little circle time songs. My daughter, every single day, the moment she wakes up, she's asking to do her schoolwork. She has enjoyed it so much. It comes with this really nice little lesson plan. It gives you every single step day by day, what you can expect, what you need to have out. It's just extremely organized. The classwork has been amazing. My daughter has gone above and beyond expectations. She loves doing the little workbooks. She just thoroughly enjoyed it. We couldn't be any happier with Flinto Class at Home.